That's our crew today. Here's a Harley. We don't discriminate. Davidson goes all the way, and they even put a little Harley logo right on the tire, right there. So we'll actually be running the support vehicle with some tools in case the Harley breaks down. Kawasaki Ninja ZX6R. So awesome. Got a Beamer, and best for last, Aprilia RS250. This is sex appeal on wheels.
You raise your hand and you wave like that, because if you don't do that, no one will see you at all.
Sereg, we'll be last, so we'll pick up anyone who.
We have a support. That's another way. You pass the group and you put a stop sign like that.
After this trip, I got a bug again. I want a street bike. It's been a while since I had one. Last one I had was a Yamaha Super Tenere, great bike, but ended up selling it kind of due to not riding enough, and I got a pretty good deal selling the bike, so it had to go. But now, man, that was a lot of fun, and following bikes in a car just isn't the same. The bike I really want is this Aprilia RS250. Beautiful two-stroke, never fully imported into US, so I'm in the market for one. But following a lot of airplane content, here's a little bit of motorcycle related stuff. It's a trip with a bunch of our friends from Seattle to Leavenworth. Victoria and I followed in the car, and here is what happens.
Let's go. Here we go now. Here we go now.
Everybody's fine to go a little bit over the limit.
Alec, are you okay?
All good?
Drive a lot over the limit.
Alec, would you be able to keep up?
The speedometer goes to 160. Victoria surrounded by buff motorcyclists. Aprilia. Theoretically a really fast bike. But as we get back here and look at the rear tire, we can see these very well defined chicken strips.
Everything was exactly like that. Slick and nothing works.
He's just jealous because he keeps baking his sausage.
I know.
I see every freaking one of you in my mirrors. All 5.
I don't need this.
My very first motorcycle was just like this, a 2000 Kawasaki Ninja ZX6R. Long lines, and this restaurant did not have any sausage.